Hi queens, what's up? My name is Elizabeth and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a sort of haul. Let's fix this a little bit. We don't need to be that zoomed out. So yeah, today I got my package I've been waiting for from Drunk Elephant, and I also got my Medtronic package, which I'm gonna open and see. Just diabetic, hashtag just diabetic things. Sponsor me, give me free pump supplies, give me free pump, whatever you want to do, Medtronic, really, just hit me up. My contact email is below. All right, I'm back. So first of all, I didn't show you guys on what is this, YouTube? I keep getting confused, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. But I got these from Amazon. They're peepers. We have them in the store I work in, and I wanted them so bad, but I don't need readers, so I ordered just the blue light ones, and oh my gosh, I love them. They give me major Iris Apophel vibes. I'll put a picture on of her right there, and I love them. Love, love, love. So first, let's just do Medtronic because I'm interested. I think they're sending me free sets. LOL, I can't believe I'm putting this part in here. But technically it's an unboxing. My sensor malfunctioned, so I think they're sending me like a free gift. Not a free gift, but free sensors. Oops. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Is the entire box? No, it's just one. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is huge. So basically, they sent me a tester where this device can tell if your sensor is working or not. Oh, that's so nice. They sent me two. Oh well, it's the least they can do. Okay, cool. This is so nice. Okay, awesome. Well, we have two testers now. And we have one, even though I really deserve like 6 of these because my sensor messed up for like 3 times in a week. But it's okay. No tea, no shade. Actually, a lot of tea, a lot of shade, because the amount of money that we've spent over the years in Medtronic is a little ridiculous. So shout out diabetes. Okay, now to the fun stuff. All right, this is one of the Amazon work. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. I hope I ordered the right sizing and everything. I ordered it in extra large because when I looked at the review photos, they just looked like kind of small. Oh, I think these are gonna work. Oh my god, look at the color. I love this. Now I'll link everything down below, and I have like a list for Amazon wants. I have like YouTuber favorites. If you guys watched that video a long time ago, I'll put a screenshot or a card right here. And I'm gonna do another one of those. But anyway, so cute. This is not gonna fit this part of my body, but it's cute. We'll try it on, and clearly you guys will see. I'll put in a little clip right here of what it looks like. Oh no, because the top does not work at all, but the bottoms look great. I love them. I can't believe I'm showing my full body and figure on YouTube, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The bottoms are great. This is too small. I can't wear this kind of sports bra because my chest is too large. It's not enough support, which I know it wouldn't work. So yeah, a 10 out of 10 recommend. And like I said, for reference, like in Lululemon, I usually wear, in their shorts, I'll wear like a 12 to 14, and their leggings, like Align leggings, I'll wear like a, what do I wear? It's either an 8 or a 10, I can't remember. So anyway, yes queens, hope you guys enjoyed. Like too short. Can't see. Also, a 10 out of 10 would wear this. I feel like this is like a LA YouTuber vlogger outfit going to get like Alfred's or leaving Soul Cycle, you know what I mean? So yes. And yeah, I love that color. I believe it was $30, so it wasn't in like a bad price range. All right, now to the best part. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, I love Drunk Elephant, and let me give a little backstory. Basically, when was this? During quarantine. Actually, I think it's the most popular on my popular video on my channel now. I ordered Drunk Elephant to try because I was out of whatever skincare I was using, and I'd always heard great things about it, and oh my gosh, literally the best ever. And in maybe like, I don't even know when it was, probably like August. No, it was for sure like, I can't, the sense of time, COVID, I just can't deal with you. You've given me this horrible sense of time. For sure was after Christmas, because I didn't ask for any for Christmas because I thought I was good, and boy is the packaging deceiving. So I was not good, and I indeed did need some. So that's what we did. We ordered some. I just love Drunk Elephant and their packaging, and all of their products are so good. And they really helped clear me up last year. If you guys, I don't think I ever took pictures, but I was watching YouTube videos the other day of my like old videos, and I was like, oh my gosh, girl, what? So yeah, really cleared me up. Literally, like, could you, sorry, I gotta do a little thumbnail. It comes with this, has all the information in there. It's got this little elephant. Everyone watching this is like, yeah, girl, we've seen a unboxing from them before. Oh my gosh, literally, oh, I forgot about this. It's got this little, you can like color it in. Oh my gosh, so funny. All right, so we will just open her up. I gotta take a little insty. Hold on one sec. All right, sorry, I had to take a little insty. Let's open her up. Take all the little fluffy fluffies. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so first of all, this is the best moisturizer I've ever used in my life. It is the La Retro Whipped Cream. It is a cream moisturizer, and it works so well with my skin. I just love it. It just does its job. It really does. I have a bunch of samples. Hold on one second. Oh my goodness, I didn't realize this was like, oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna order more, but I got this to try. I've heard so many good things. It is the baby facial, and I got a mini, but this doesn't really look like that much of a mini. Oh, it is. I guess it comes in like a bigger, or maybe this is like the size it comes in. I'm not really 100% positive, but this is what the inside of it looks like. Like I said, I've heard so many amazing things, so I'm super excited to try that. This is one of the samples I got, which I got the Be Hydra hydration serum, but I've never tried the retinol cream, so I'm really excited to try that. Just some more samples, which are also, I didn't customize the samples, so literally I got everything that I ordered. Like, these are the two main products I ordered, but I did get this. It's their new serum, so I'm really excited to try it. Let's see if it'll focus. It's the Proteiny Power Peptide Resurface Serum, so I know I probably won't be able to tell a huge like difference, but super cute, super cute. And then lastly, I just got the hydration serum. This stuff is life-changing, truly life-changing. I'm so excited to have it again. And that is what that packaging looks like. I love their packagings. I love them as a brand. And I just think it really, really works for my skin. And I'm just super excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry I've been slacking on my videos. I have some filmed. I'm working like almost 35 hours every week. So I just haven't had time to edit and fit everything I need to fit in while still enjoying the beach and meeting friends and visiting with family. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll be posting vlogs super soon. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my social medias down below. On TikTok, I am currently doing the, 100 days to 10K. So be sure to follow me on there. I love posting. I've been posting almost every day, so super fun. Bye guys.